The 15th China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition, also known as Air Show China, took place in November 2023. This event showcased the latest advancements in aerospace and defense technology from around the world. Among the many impressive displays, one particular unveiling stole the show, the JARI-USV-A Orca drone warship. Developed by China, the Orca is a large, unmanned combat vessel designed for a variety of naval missions. The Orca's unveiling immediately sparked interest and speculation among defense analysts and observers. Its size, design, and potential capabilities hinted at a significant leap forward in unmanned naval technology. Many saw the Orca as a clear signal of China's commitment to modernizing its navy and expanding its maritime power. The unveiling of the Orca generated headlines around the world, with many questioning its implications for the future of naval warfare. The Orca drone warship features a unique trimaran hull design. This design, which consists of a main hull flanked by two smaller outrigger hulls, offers several advantages in terms of stability, speed and maneuverability. The trimaran configuration also provides a larger deck space for weapons systems and other equipment compared to traditional monohull vessels of similar size. Beyond its trimaran configuration, the Orca incorporates advanced stealth technology. Its hull form and superstructure are designed to minimize radar reflection, making it more difficult for enemy radar systems to detect. This stealth capability is crucial for the Orca to operate effectively in contested waters, allowing it to approach targets undetected or evade enemy detection altogether. The combination of the trimaran hull and stealth features makes the Orca a highly capable and survivable platform in modern naval warfare. The Orca drone warship boasts an impressive array of weapons systems, making it a formidable force multiplier in naval combat. One of its key features is a vertical launch system, or VLS, which can launch a variety of missiles for both offensive and defensive purposes. These missiles could include anti-ship missiles, land attack cruise missiles, and surface-to-air missiles, providing the Orca with significant firepower. In addition to its VLS, the Orca is equipped with a 57mm main gun. This versatile weapon can engage surface targets, aircraft, and even shore-based installations. The 57mm gun is complemented by the SeaRAM missile defense system, which provides close-in protection against anti-ship missiles and other threats. The SeaRAM system utilizes a high rate of fire 21-round missile launcher to intercept incoming threats with precision and speed. The Orca drone warship represents a significant development in naval warfare, carrying profound strategic implications. As an unmanned platform, the Orca offers several advantages over traditional manned warships. It eliminates the risk to human life, reduces operational costs, and allows for longer endurance at sea. These factors make the Orca an attractive option for a range of missions, from intelligence gathering and surveillance to offensive operations. Moreover, the Orca's multi-role adaptability makes it a valuable asset in various scenarios. The emergence of unmanned warships, like the Orca, signifies a broader trend in naval warfare towards autonomous and unmanned systems. As technology advances, we can expect to see more unmanned platforms deployed by navies around the world. These platforms will likely play an increasingly important role in future conflicts, performing tasks that were once considered too dangerous or complex for unmanned systems. The Orca serves as a reminder that the nature of naval warfare is evolving rapidly, with unmanned systems taking center stage.